Hello everyone, Lewis from strobesandmore.com, and today I'm going to make you a quick intro, or really it's not an intro, but a quick video on the WeCan Core and WeCan X software. Like all Whelen products, this was designed to enhance first responder safety. The WeCan Core and WeCan X offer greater configurability, greater speed, and greater expansion capabilities than any other product line available today. It's the industry's smartest and most powerful CAN-based system. You can support up to 99 WeCan X devices via expansion modules to include sirens, low-frequency sirens, and even vehicle-to-vehicle synchronization. Since we launched the video of the 3 police cars pulling over the BMW, we've gotten tons of questions on the system, how it works, how it functions, etc. So I'm hoping this video will help you gain some knowledge on how the system works. With its DVI, or dynamic variable intensity flash patterns, it can calm the most chaotic scenes, and I'll explain a little bit more of that in a moment. But the DVI flash patterns increase and decrease intensity in both light output depending on day and night via a photo cell. You can do pre-recorded digital messages if you choose for evacuation notices or different things. And it's a cloud-based platform which allows you to do the vehicle-to-vehicle sync, product updates, firmware updates, and even control traffic preemption devices. So I'm going to back up a little bit and talk about WeCan. So when WeCan first came out, you bought a WeCan light bar, you got a WeCan module. Do via serial 2-wire communication, you would attach your light bar, and you could program via computer all these different wires to do all these different devices. Or functions, excuse me. And you can still do that today. That's the nice thing about WeCan X. You can buy just the light bar and control it and program it. Or, if you want a full core build, as we call it here at Strobes and More, you can get one of the various core systems. This is a little simpler system. It's a CCP9. This is the full core system, a C399. You can choose your control head, you can choose siren amplifiers on both systems. This one you can't choose your control head, it's already right there. But you can choose your control heads on the bigger system. You can choose siren amplifiers, low frequency siren amplifiers, vehicle-to-vehicle sync, and add expansion modules to add lights. So how does it work? Basically, it's a computer-based system, as I said. It's a CAN-based system that sends high-speed data to all your light heads telling them what to do. You can get one light bar and control it via the WeCan X controller, or you can tie all your light heads. And again, just to mention, all your light heads must be core compatible. But you can tie all your light heads into the system and everything will work in unison. So I'll give you a quick demonstration here. Here's a DVI flash pattern. As you can see, the intensity decreases and increases. Here's just a single color warning pattern, and all the lights are fully synchronized. And here's a two color fully synchronized warning pattern. All the light heads tie into the system together. You can still do some light heads that don't tie in. If you have some old light heads you want to use, you can still do that. But they won't have the synchronization features that the core WeCan X compatible products have. This system here, for example, we have a button to set up some compartment lights. The same button you can turn on maybe some surrounding lights on the vehicle, and the same button you can turn on for your full scene lighting package if you choose. There's traffic advisor control. In this case here, it's going top to bottom, or it could be left and right. Same button does top to bottom, so left to right, and the same button center out. This system will control all the lights on your vehicles. So what do I need? That's then the big question. What do I need to make my vehicle do core? Well, first of all, you need to choose a core system, whether it be the C399, you choose your control head and other devices, the all-in-one CCP9, you just need some expansion modules that controls all your lighting. Depends on how big of a build you're going to do. And then you just need all core compatible light heads. And if you check the website, it'll tell you if they're core compatible. Pretty much all Whelen lights are core compatible. And some Whelen lights are even coming with the core DVI, or not the core, but the DVI flash patterns in as a flash pattern in the light. So check the light head description and you can find those there. We also have available all the vehicle compatible input harnesses. So you plug it into your OBD2 port and it'll pick up your horn ring and your park and different flash patterns. How the synchronization works is your vehicle will be doing the pursuit mode. When the officer puts the vehicle in park through one of the various harnesses, it'll know the vehicle went to park. It'll automatically switch the vehicle over to the park DVI flash pattern. There's a lot of control with this system. You can tell the system everything you want it to do, from right down to you opening your driver's door and turning floodlighting on the driver's side of the vehicle. So it's really a fully programmable system that has user safety in mind. You don't need one car doing a DVI pattern, another car doing full warning. It's really designed to bring the whole scene of emergency vehicles in unison to work together to make the whole scene calmer and safer. So there you have it, a quick breakdown of the products. We have tech experts here, and we have expert salespeople that can help answer your questions and give you a little insight into the Whelen core system and the WeCan X compatible products. This was just a brief overview. We do have a single page dedicated to all the equipment with various links and videos, so check that out. If you have any questions, give us a call, and thank you very much for visiting strobesmore.com. Have a great day.